Hello friends, welcome to our Nifty update after a long time. I'm sorry I had to take a gap for some personal reasons. Now we have a new government in place and we have to see how the market reacts going forward. It will be an interesting journey. In our last update, we had spoken about a diamond pattern formation which we said may be a topping pattern. And let's see friends what happened after that. So once the diamond pattern got formed, the market corrected by almost 600 points to significant supports. So you see, identification of patterns is very important for trading because it can give you significant amount of advantage in predicting the market movements. Let us see a new slide of the Nifty daily charts where I have enlarged the candles to predict what patterns can happen. Unfortunately, the patterns are really not clear. Actually, the last 5 days candles have been very large and it indicates the slow formation of a new trend. It's actually the start of a new trend. If you see, yesterday's candle was an inside candle compared to the day of the election results. So again, it does not predict anything in advance. One can trade with a support that will be the gap up open, which will be around 11,600, and the resistance, which was the all-time high reached during the day of the results. The movement of the market may be between these two ranges till the rest of the expiry. Now let us have a look at the Nifty weekly charts. We can see this blue trend line which has been continuing for many months, initially acting as a support and now acting as a resistance. Again, we have to see what happens to that trend line now, whether it will cross or whether Nifty will come back after hitting the trend line. If we look at the Nifty 30-minute chart, again there is really nothing to predict, and there is a possibility of a head and shoulder pattern if 11,650 is broken. Now as we know, head and shoulder pattern is a bearish pattern, but again we have to wait for 11,650 to be broken. If we look at the options OI, the significant build up of OI is there at the 12,000 call, which is around 37 lakhs. However, yesterday the OI decreased by more than 10 lakhs, which points to a fact that if 12,000 comes, it may not act as a resistance and actually we can move up another 100 to 200 points. Significant support comes at 11,700 levels where 26 lakhs of OI has accumulated. So everything points out to a range bound market, and what should be our trading strategy for the week? I think it will be better to wait and see what happens at the supports and resistances that we had discussed. There is a large possibility of whipsaw till the expiry. We will see the new trend emerge properly from the June expiry, and maybe we should wait till that time before we take any large trade. Thank you so much friends. Goodbye.